Okay, we got another repair here sent in from a friend. We have a metal oxide fuzz that is not doing much. So let's get our clean tone real quick. Good. Alright, and now let's get our effect pedal here. Nope, no good, no sound. That is a doornail. Alright, well let's see what we can do to isolate the problem. Okay, so we have the schematic printed right here, and so what we're going to do is we're going to follow it through and see where we have a break in this circuit right here. So we're going to first start with connecting right here, going into the transistor right there, Q1, and see if we get any sound. Alright. Alright, I'm getting a signal, and it's getting some breakup too. So that means some amplification is happening. So we know we got a good signal up to here. Let's see what happens when we connect up to the gate of the MOSFET of the BS170 on Q2. So we'll connect up to that spot right here where R1 comes in. Makes it easy to diagnose. Alright, well, we're getting a noise. Not exactly a good distortion, though. Sounds like we got a problem of something not taking its punches well and holding its weight. Okay, I think we figured out where our problem here is. Obviously, continuity works pretty good there. But if we take a measurement between the pins 1 and pins 3 of this transistor, 4.5 ohms. That should be more in like the hundreds of kilos to mega ohms range there. So let's get that resoldered and let's see what the values are supposed to look like. Okay, so now we have this guy plugged in. Let's take that same reading of resistance again, and there we go, 3.37 mega ohms. A lot different than 4 point whatever ohms that we were seeing before. So let's power this guy up, and we got everything all hooked up. So let's give it a listen. Clean tone. Got a functioning metal oxide fuzz. That was a flat note. That's probably as painful as a soldering job. But anyways, there you go. Sometimes you just get bad stocks of things. MOSFETs can go bad, well, if you do bad stuff to them. But you do get some DOA ones from time to time. Anyways, there you go. Cheers.